welcome back everyone. I am doing an important video today, a follow-up with Ethereum's price action. Please feel free to go look at the last video I did on Ethereum, basically saying I'm short, I'm looking for downside. Well, we got that downside over the weekend, and now I want to give you guys a follow-up video moving forward due to the video I did on Bitcoin yesterday saying, hey, this is the downside I'm looking for. I'm going to give you the downside that I was looking for on Ethereum, which was 2200, and we did tap that level, and where I expect us to go from here moving forward. So as of right now, this is Ethereum here on a weekly chart, and you saw yesterday we did Bitcoin. I'm going to quickly flip to it, and you see Bitcoin is way above this yellow line, nowhere near this green, nowhere near this purple. I did not expect Bitcoin to go too much further than the green anyway, but we didn't even touch the yellow yet, which is making me consider that 88,500 is like a very, very important level to go test into. And it's probably going to happen in the next week or two. So just be aware that I'm looking for that level. Yes, buyers are here, but there's like lackluster volume. So just be aware that on Bitcoin, I'm still looking for downside. Now on Ethereum, we are past green and into the purple. This is exactly what I want to see when I want to accumulate an asset. And you can see over here in the left, this has happened before. It has crushed into the double bottom. You know, this was the top. Here was a double bottom, double top. Sorry, lower high, and you got the push down, right? And that's what's happening here. You got the push down. Well, back in the day when I was in Ethereum, they didn't have the 200 EMA actually showing you where it was. Here it is over here, and now you can see around 2200 is a low of where we expected Ethereum to find some support. And you literally gave a beautiful reaction off of that level, and you got a nice upside. So basically all the liquidity that was down here is basically snatched. People who are trying to short this continually to go into this level is a dangerous game to play. And yes, you will probably go test into that level, probably not as low, maybe a higher low, and then a reversal, which is why I'm saying, hey, right now, out of all the crypto assets that I've gone over, the only one that I really, really, really have an interest of accumulating right now is Ethereum, because it is actually showing me enough of a discount, enough of a slap back, enough of selling where, hey, I can start nibbling into a long position in spot near 2200. Basically 27 to 2200 is fair game. Anywhere in between that level, if you can start accumulating a position with an average in there, that's good enough for me. As long as we're above 2200, solid times ahead for upside. Underneath 2200, we have an issue, and if we go under 2200, you better believe that Bitcoin, wherever it's at, 80, 90, whatever, is going to take another leg down. And when that happens, it'll probably be like a $10,000 drop. It's not going to be no more $5,000, $6,000. Bitcoin is going to move $10,000 a day. Ethereum will start moving $1,000 a day, and that's why I'm saying that, like, moving forward. And where I'm looking for Ethereum to go from here is like almost $10,000. This is basically the last range of Ethereum before new range is made. This 4,800 top to this $1,000 bottom. Once we actually make this higher low here, so this $1,000 bottom or 880 is now going to turn into 2,200 as the low. And then when we go, we're going to go basically above 4,800 to, I want to say, around $10,000 is where well, 7,500 to 10,000 is where I expect ETH in the end of the year, basically. And that means Bitcoin will probably get to 120,000 is what I'm looking for. So those are fair values, guys. Take it or leave it. I mean, this is just me pulling numbers from where I expect it to go from what I've seen other assets do in the past with their parabolic moves. So that's why I'm giving you that tidbit. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the drawings. And there's a lot of stuff going on. I know you see this line here and it says this bad word. Let me delete that bad word. This is where I shorted and I had my stop loss there. so I can manage that short. Now let me go to a lower time frame such as daily. We were already looking at weekly. Now this is daily. This is the short I took. Uh, Hold up, that short was way up here, right here. So when we were doing this consolidation, I made that video. I was like, hey, I'm gonna short around 333. Yeah, 33.33 was the main short. We tried to get me. They try to stop me out over here. If you look over here, right here at 33.50, they try to get us all to get out of the short. But that was actually a re-entry of the short, and then you got the big capitulation straight down. And this is stuff that I was waiting for, so you can see the levels are marked. I was not expecting us to break 2200, but we did, and that's totally okay because there was no liquidity in the order books. So when the spoof orders removed all their orders, you saw this capitulation straight down. This was a very engineered move, probably by the exchanges and market makers, because they liquidated a bunch of money. I think it was like almost $2 billion got liquidated on this move. And that's because all the retail people were long with leverage and they didn't expect this kind of a move, and boom, it happened. So this is how crypto works. So I hope you guys are aware. Delete this. We don't need this nonsense no more. We don't need this nonsense anymore. I don't even need this stop loss. Oh, actually, I should move that a little bit higher, but just let that go. And this is where we're looking at right now for Ethereum on a 4-hour time frame. Above 2,500 is good for us to go test back into 3,200. 2,200 and 3,200, that $1,000 range is where I'm going to be attacking. Anything from 2,200 I'll try to accumulate. 3,200 was where I was already accumulating, so this was a good DCA moment. And once we get above 32 into 38 and whatnot, I'll start removing the position that I took over here, letting the rest ride into 45 and above. And that's basically how I plan on doing it. I do think that you gotta get a little bit of sideways here, and during that sideways, you'll have the opportunity to accumulate. Once we get above $3,000, though, you can kiss the downside probably goodbye, and probably faster buying will ensue and do a short squeeze up. This What people don't know, Trump was the one who was buying all the Ethereum with his new Liberty Fund or whatnot. So just be aware that our own president did this manipulation with his buddies. So yeah, I am all cash anyway. I trade when I see opportunity, and this is what I was looking for to occur. So it's like I'm not shocked or surprised, but I'm sure a lot of other people are. But I am looking to accumulate in this range here, and then I will take profit at 31.50 and at 38. So that's basically all I have left for you guys here today. I gave you the Ethereum play. I gave you guys the Bitcoin play yesterday. So yeah, I do think Bitcoin is going to go a little bit lower. I guess Ethereum will get dragged down with Bitcoin, but eventually, when Bitcoin goes sideways, Ethereum will probably get love upside faster than Bitcoin, and that's just because it's already been beaten down pretty hard. There's not too much lower it can go. So we have the hope that upside is coming. I would say anything under 2,500 though, you gotta be aware that you're playing the game of hope that the entire market doesn't just get destroyed in one swoop due to whatever policies Trump's got going on. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Please, 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 if you haven't already, like, subscribe, press the bell button for notification. There's about only 10% of you who are subscribed to the channel, and there's like thousands of people watching it. So please, please, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section below. I do answer every question. And then if you would like to trade with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much for participating. Aside from that, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Yeah, be safe out there. This is exactly what we were expecting, and it's here. Enjoy.